Do you know that 10 minutes of oil pulling a day keeps the dentists away? So oil pulling is an Ayurvedic practice. It is also known as Gandusha in Ayurveda, and it is an Ayurvedic practice for daily oral hygiene, and it helps you to take care of your oral bacteria in the mouth. It kills all the bacteria with regular usage. It is also a naturopathy practice for removing toxins and bad bacteria from your body through the mouth, which is why it is known as oil pulling. The oil pulls the toxins from the body into the oil, into the mouth, and then you spit it out. So on popular request, we have changed our oil pulling blends. We have changed the sizes to 300 ml because people wanted a product which lasts them for a month. So approximately 1 tablespoon is required daily. 1 tablespoon is 10 ml. So 300 ml means daily if you use 10 ml, then this lasts you for a month. We have these oil pulling blends in two variants. One is coconut, which is my personal favorite, but it solidifies in winters in the north, so which is why we needed to have another blend. So then we created sesame oil pulling blend, which is the traditional choice for all things Ayurvedic. Sesame oil is like the base of choice for body massage oils, hair oils, oil pulling blends in Ayurveda. So this is like the big format for oil pulling, and this is like a tastier format for oil pulling. And both the oils we use are food grade, cold pressed, organic, so all those things are there. And plus we have 6 essential oils and a few herbs that go into it. We macerate our oils, we keep them in the sun, we infuse them with herbs, and after that we sieve them, we put the essential oils, we create the oil pulling blends. So very, very potent, both of them. Whichever oil you prefer, you can take. In summers you have the option of using both the oils. In winters, if coconut oil solidifies, then sesame oil becomes the oil of choice. But do use them daily prior to brushing your teeth, and do it start with 2 to 3 minutes daily. If you're not used to it, then you may not be able to do more than that, and slowly build it up and take it up to 10 minutes. And if you do that, you will see that your teeth will become whiter and there will not be any plaque on your teeth. And if you go for your regular dental cleaning, which is advised every 6 months, it will not be the case anymore, and your dentist will only say, listen, you don't need dental cleaning. Why have you come? There's nothing to clean. It's happened with me many times. So earlier I used to religiously go every 6 months, but now it's like once in 2 years, maybe even longer than that, because I don't feel the need. Even my dentist feels there's no need. So it really improves the oral health. Also in Ayurveda as well as Chinese medicine, our teeth are linked to the various organs in our body. So like the front teeth are linked to the kidneys, the canine, the side teeth are linked to the liver and the stomach. Then the lower molars are linked to the small intestine. The bigger molars are linked to the large intestine and the rectum. So all the organs inside are linked to your teeth. So good oral hygiene, good teeth health means good organs, and vice versa. If there's a lot of issue in your dental space, in your oral space, that basically means that there's something not right in the body and you need to get an annual test done. So I knew someone who regularly had health issues, and every 2 to 3 months he was going to his dentist for some issue or the other, and there was something always wrong in the teeth. So I told him, you must get an annual test done and get your complete body tested, because if your teeth are not right, it means some of the other organs of yours are not working optimally and you need to get them tested. And sure enough, that was the case. So keep your oral health intact, and indirectly you'll be keeping your entire body intact, and that starts with oil pulling. Of course, this is no substitute for brushing and flossing. That is something you should do twice a day, every day. But if you precede your brushing in the morning with oil pulling on an empty stomach, it can do wonders for your oral health as well as your complete overall health. So do try this and do share your feedback with me. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.